Exam practice problem number 1. You will have 2 or 3 of these problems, and you'll be given probably less than an hour to do them, so you should definitely practice it. The first one is relatively simple, so if you have this one, you'd have 3 problems. So the revenue for the price of the item is $6, and so this is production volume and this is total revenue, would be equal to this times 6. Or you can click on the 6 below, either way. Okay, and fill down. You can fill down probably all of them at one time. Fixed cost is right here, 9,000. You can type it in or do equal that down there, equal 9,000. I'm going to type it in. You know why? And I don't have to anchor it. Okay. Variable cost is right here, 350, and that would be equals 350 times the production volume. And fill down. Total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. So I'm just going to highlight those two and get it over with here. All right, now we want to graph this. And so we want to graph, and I know this isn't going to work just from experience, so get rid of the words production volume right here. And we want to do total revenue plus total cost. So you're doing non-adjacent rows. Highlight the first two, hold down Control, highlight the last one. And go to Insert a line graph. Okay, any kind is fine. And we have that here. And you can fix it up with the, the title, etc., whatever you want to do. Okay. Break-even point, call it. One word. And I never have liked it. Well, I'm trying to figure out if the DITs are going, see, so that looks like it's 4,000 is the break-even point. I could look up here and see where 4,000 has total revenue of that, and total, so it's a little bit less. And then you would have to insert a text box that maybe says break-even point, BEP is fine. And you can always click on that and make it look fancier. Go to the drawing tools and pick something here. Just like these 3-dimensional jobs here. And fit it to the words. And then you'd have a arrow perhaps. Goes here. Another thing I would like you to do is tell me what the actual break-even point is. So you'll have to do it algebraically. Algebraically is total revenue equals total cost. So total revenue equals total cost. And so total revenue equals 6x. 6x is equal to, man, I'm having trouble here, is equal to variable cost, 9,000, fixed cost plus variable cost times x, 350x. And so you would just solve that for x. And so that would be 250x equals 9,000. I'm just doing this in my head here. 2.5x equals 9,000. And then down here is 9,000 divided by equals 9,000 divided by 2.5, 3,600. And so you could put right here, break-even point, 3,600. You'll have to make the box bigger perhaps to hold it. Yep, sure enough, I have to make the box larger. You'll have different numbers and everything, so you might want to practice that. And you could even add grid lines and do other things. I don't know how much time I've got left. Probably not much, 4 seconds. And so that one is fairly simple.